In a 2017 article, Parabhoy declared that information technology plays an important role in generating new knowledge. In his article, he stated that there are many benefits to be derived from using Mendeley as a research tool. Some of those benefits will be discussed in the following slides. What exactly is Mendeley? It's a reference manager. Mendeley serves inter alia as a library where researchers' materials are stored and organized. In its library, researchers, both new and experienced, can add material manually from desktop files, from websites, or other sources. Materials are stored according to author, title, journal, year, and date added. Articles can be found by doing a keyword search. Mendeley imports materials from other research software, such as Zotero. It also finds articles relevant to any area of interest. Mendeley makes for easy access to stored materials. Researchers can access their materials from anywhere. Materials can be read from any mobile device while researchers are on the go. Articles can be read in the library. Multiple articles can be opened at the same time. Text can be highlighted and stickies can be used by researchers to make notes. As the library expands, Mendeley has the capacity to retrieve materials pertinent to a particular research topic. To do this, go to All Documents. In the search box, type within quotation marks a keyword or phrase of what you are looking for. To broaden the search, remove quotation marks, and all materials pertinent to that topic will appear in the library. When the Mendeley citation plugin is added, Mendeley automatically generates citations and bibliographies according to the selected style. Mendeley is also an academic social networking resource. Researchers can either join or create groups of researchers with similar interests where they can collaborate and share materials. I would recommend Mendeley for new researchers or even experienced ones. The benefits are many.